Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's all about this hairband right here on my head and also two other headbands. So if you want to learn, keep watching. If you're new, click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you get notification whenever a new video is being uploaded. But aside from that, you guys, let's just get down into this video. It's very easy and quick and fun. Firstly, go ahead and differentiate the right side and the wrong side of your fabric. I always emphasize on this, and also make sure the fabric you're using for this is a stretchy fabric because mine is stretchy. And then after doing that, I'm going to be chalking down 23 as my length for this headband I want to make. I'm using 23 as the length and then 10 inches as the width. I'll go right ahead and cut this out. This is the amount of fabric I'll be working with for my hairband. Length 23, width 10. So after that, I'm just going to fold this fabric into two now and then take it to my machine and join by 1/2 inch. After sewing by 1/2 inch, I'm just going to be flipping this fabric inside out and bringing it out to the right side. So once I am done doing that, now the part we just finished stitching, I'm going to make sure that part sits on the middle of the fabric. I'm going to making that our middle point. This is how I'm going to be joining this whole fabric into a whole hairband. So now with the stitch line sitting as our middle point, we are going to assume we have 4 points now. This is how I'm going to be wrapping the whole 4 points around each other. I'll go right ahead and place 1 point on the second and then wrap the third on the first point, and then I'll wrap the fourth on the second point and then sew this by 1/2 inch, you guys, just as seen on the video. I'm going to place in this fabric back again to repeat this step. You guys, if you don't understand what I'm saying, watch what my hand is doing right now on the table. Go right ahead and stitch this by 1/2 inch, and after doing that, this is the first hairband, you guys. Let's get into the second. For the second hairband, I went right ahead to cut out 2 different pieces of fabric, length 23, width 10, both fabric. So now I'll be folding this by half again and then taking it to my machine to sew by 1/2 inch. Then I'll bring this back to show you guys the trick I'll be doing for the second. Go right ahead and do the same step you did. Flip this back to the right side on the both piece, flip them back to the right side and make sure the stitch line sits as your middle point again. So the stitch line is sitting as my middle point, and this is what I'll be doing. So now you place the first piece on the second piece of the fabric and then you fold each of them into half. I'm going to be folding the first piece into half on the second piece, and then I'll be doing the same on the second piece. I'll fold it into half too on the first piece, and then I'll take this to my machine to join by 1/2 inch. After folding them into half on each other, I'm just going to be pinning this down. This is the part I'll be sewing by 1/2 inch. So I'll pin them down first, then take it to my machine to join. After joining the part I finished pinning down, the next thing for you to do now is to make this a whole hairband. So I'll go right ahead and join those two different pieces and make them one. I'll be joining by 1/2 inch. I'll be using my needle and try to join this, and then after joining, you guys, that is it. The second turban is done. Sorry, the second hairband is done. Let's get into this third and last one. Went right ahead to cut out another set of fabric, but this time around we have two sets. One is longer than the other. One is 22 inches long, 10 inches wide, while the smaller one is 8 inches long and then 6 inches wide. I'll go right ahead and fold this into two again, and then take to my machine to join by 1/2 inch both on both fabric, you guys. I have a band I cut out that is 5 inches long. Yeah, so you know band stretchy, so I just needed 5 inches. I'll be inserting this band on the smaller piece of fabric, the 8 inches long fabric. I'll be attaching this band to it. So after flipping this inside out, now I'll be using my pin, my office pin, my safety pin, sorry, to pass this band into the smaller piece of fabric. So after passing it into the smaller piece of fabric, I'll take it to my machine to close the edges and now attach it to the longer band. I'm done sewing the edges. So this is how it stretches out. It folds when you leave it and then it stretches out. So now I'll be attaching this to my bigger band like this. Please do watch. You can see I am done attaching the small piece of band to the bigger band. So you can decide to leave this like this, you can wear this like this. It is nice and beautiful, but as for me, I want to attach something else, so I'll just go ahead and make a pattern of something freehand. As you can see, you guys, I just made a pattern of something with my free hand, and then I want to tie this around my hairband. So after making the pattern, I'll just go right ahead and place the pattern on my fabric and trace it out. Tracing this out, I'll go right ahead and sew all the edges. I'll close all the edges, leaving a tiny bit of hole for me to be able to pass this inside out. So flip this inside out. So after flipping it inside out, you guys, I'll just tie this. I'll close the part I left, and then I'll tie this on my hairband. You guys, this is it. Very easy and very simple. Guys, I am so excited right now. I have 3 hairbands added to my hairbands collection, so please do let me know on the comment section below if you like the video. I said it was going to be simple and easy. Do let me know in the comment section if you like it, and actually do like it, like give it a thumbs up, you guys. I'll be seeing you on my next video. Bye.